still on top of the Good Morning Nigeria show now with Day, and of course we tell us today we did look at children with special needs, and we get my sister woman Zusi for inside the house. She go follow us. I like the way when I call your name, you just bend the neck. Aww, like I like it. Aww. Okay, Zusi. Now make I look that
now certified.
Certified special educational needs expert. Now she be. So she is certified to handle children with get special needs and all of that. And we still get on top of Zoom Mary Kako. She be mother where we say get Peking where they live with special needs and all that. I don't know whether Mary Kako don't join us already for Zoom. Mary, you there? Okay, why would they wait for Mary? Susie, good morning. Mary, good morning. How you day?
Good morning.
Good morning. Mary, my name is Precious.
Correct.
And then you also get Edewo here. You get Zusi here. She be certified special educational needs expert. So she go follow us. All of us going in together discuss this matter. Well done. Okay, so Zusi, Moko go straight to the point.
Okay.
What make you go school, so they can look and say, now children will get special need. Now you say I won't pay attention to for my life.
That's story. Make I start. We get time for the story.
Yeah,
If you drink coffee,
you
you
just run
you chill your
and give
mind.
us a
Because-
brief summary.
When I start off as teacher.
Okay.
So for the school, they get children will be neurodiverse and neurotypical.
Okay.
Neurodiverse now the children will be special needs. Then neurotypical now the children will no get special needs.
Okay.
Where people they call normal. But when I ask who normal for Nigeria, we all normal. Exactly. So that aside. So I can't they teach children. I may say most times the parents they don't know what to do. They don't know who to go to, and people they really take advantage of these parents. And somehow, because of my nature, I can't be very attached to these children.
Okay.
And my boss then for the school where they work will say, you sure say you know go do this thing as course. That's why I start my journey for special needs. Then God can't give me twins. I get twins. When I can't get my twins,
correct.
One of them they meet in developmental milestones. But it like say God prepare my mind.
You don't prepare you down.
Prepare me down. Say now this you go do, now this you go do. So that's why now when I preach early intervention, I know what I talk.
You talk about.
Because for that my picking, I just they follow them. As if anything they do, I go tackle them immediately.
Yes.
They do therapy. So now we they look strengths, they look the great things where all these children feel do because they are all they blessed with gifts and strengths. So now that one make me go.
So Mary they hear us. Mary, good morning. If you still there and they hear us, Mary. Mary,
they there?
Yes.
Mary, so as you don't hear waiting our Madam Day here, we talk, say now waiting even prompt time to enter this whole conversation, where she decide to run out like this. You as a mama where they live with Peking, we get special needs. We know say this one big deal because our Madam Day herself, she said get experience on top of the matter. From your own angle, how it take be for you? Make we see as you don't take the manage or take the handle the situation. I'm not going to talk to a manager. Take the handle the situation. How it take be for you?
you hear us?
Share you hear us, Mary.
As a mama, easy for me. Yes, I hear you.
Okay, go ahead.
As mama, easy. For Nigerian mama, yes, I cry when I born am. I cry so much. My cry was society, pressure from society, pressure from my marriage, how my pikin go take survive for Nigeria. I dey see many of them. So it worry me well. I fear. I got depressed.
Wow.
But support from my family. My husband too was thrown. It no be wetin we expect to. But my God, they give pikin. But God do one for me. My pikin is growing very well.
Okay.
So but we are doing great.
Okay. So
and my pikin now.
I just want to ask, say you need to do anything extra when you dey say okay your pikin, you don't notice say your pikin dey like this. Wetin be the measures wey you take? Because you talk say yes, you be in fear, you been dey depressed, you been the thing shake you. Wetin be those things wey you do intentionally wey make you come get this confidence now say omo nothing dey happen, I dey for you. Wetin be those few things wey you do?
I went back, I go study the thing, the Down syndrome.
Okay.
I look for some therapists where they handle the children. I go Google and I go read book how to take handle my own child. I meet doctors where they work with Down syndrome. Waiting this child will take, where go make him strong, where go make him sick. So tell me waiting I go do. Exercise this where I go do.
Yeah.
Where go make this boy strong. But the way they tell me where make me strong be anything in the world. It go fit be pilot, it go fit be best swimmer, it go fit be anything as long as mama love they give the bottom.
Good one. Good.
That make I take begin love my pikin, begin love my pikin. I don't see am o. They say once I love my pikin, the whole world go follow me love am.
Na so.
But if I don't love am, everybody
so.
go treat am the way me I dey
You dey
treat
treat
am.
am. Na so. Okay.
So that means as you dey now, you get confidence, say your pikin go fit still grow to be everything wey be say other children fit still be and achieve.
My mind no dey shake. My pikin go be everything wey I want make be. E no dey shake.
Correct.
Oh, okay, so madam, just like what she talk now, you know, she say she get to go study, begin as expert them, people will be say, don't attend to children wey get special needs, how did they use them and all that. At what point, what do you say we need to do better for our country to educate mothers them? Because some mothers them, I can assure you, some people when they born children, like they say, hey, my village people don't do am.
Spiritual.
This thing not be ordinary. I talk and say not be ordinary. And so waiting be the things that we be say, then people will come begin do different things that we be say, if you even come follow scatter the pikin life more. So waiting be the first set of intervention things we parents supposed to do when they realize early.
You know, like my sister talks, so the first things first, not to come to accept, say, this is not my pikin. I go love my pikin. Because everything for this life responds to love.
Yes.
Even if na plants, you plant for there, you dey water them every time. It go blossom.
You dey show am
love. Now animal, you dey show am love, it go answer you.
True.
That's not the number one thing. When you don't love that your pikin, like she talk, you must research. Make you know the biggest thing where they kill us for our society now this denial. No be my portion. Church go come talk there and say they go do deliverance for the pikin. Meanwhile, pikin get issue and no tackle am. Early intervention from that immediate time where you see say this pikin get as this pikin be o.
Yes, sir.
Now so you go begin follow because if not, so they wait for our government. Maybe we can keep that one aside
that
first.
One day, yeah.
But now how you love your pikin, other people will come begin love them. You must do your research. You must look for people who go help you ensure say that your pikin go better. Like she talked, they're very key. Gift. All these children, every pikin for this life get gifts.
Yes, sir.
No pikin just come this life, come waste.
True.
So these children, they go fit achieve and attain what they need to attain for this life. And once mama don't know that, now you be your pikin advocate, now you be your pikin defender, now you be your pikin superhero.
True.
Before anybody do anything to your pikin, now you go stand say no. Now my pikin be this. My pikin can be anything for this life.
Okay, so as an educational expert for inside this field, you teach other children where get the special needs.
Yes.
Okay, so how you they use handle them? Because one of the challenges we get, even children where be say we feel say no two need special need like that. The way some kind nannies and teachers they use and do them, would they see CCTV of how they drag children, they do them anyhow. So what's in they give you that patience? Make you leave your own children now. What's in they give you that patience to use handle other people, children with their special needs, to show them the love and care we they really need to blossom?
The number one thing I go tell you, when you they work in purpose, you know say this now my purpose. You go do and right. Waiting I they do, no be just profession. Is purpose driven.
Okay.
So every pikin I see them as individual, where God come bring to me. Now you go call them privilege. I don't know how they talk
Eh,
about
na so.
privilege.
Na
Now,
so.
privilege for me to impact that Peking life. So the first things first, I go look for that Peking strength. With the way they work for my studio, for my center, now ABA with the column, applied behavioral analysis therapy.
Okay.
And that ABA, they very, very individual, personalized.
Oh.
So
now
it does
must-
be
You know
yes.
they come on with all the
You
children.
know, they very, every Peking, you go look for every Peking strength.
Okay.
So you go know what you go call reinforcers for that Peking.
Okay.
What you go say reinforce the Peking. You know, say these behaviors. So behavior is learned. Every behavior is learned.
Yes.
You can reduce behavior with this ABA. So any behavior, say this Peking now, you want to make in the guy motors and fine motors issue. Fine motors now hand. Waiting we they do with our hands. Say we no feel right. We no
Okay.
feel clap. We no
Okay.
feel do this. Like she talk exercise. You go teach that na behavior where you want, na skill where you want teach the Peking.
So you go need to teach
You
am.
go need to teach the Peking. Say this Peking they always flap in hand, they shout. That na behavior where you want reduce or you want eliminate. But you no go fit reduce behavior or eliminate behavior without replacing with another behavior.
Fact.
So now that na very strategic thing we they do. Wetin we they do, you know, we they joke say behavior analysts they joke say they fit turn human being to something else. They go call psychiatrists. Okay, come diagnose this person. Psychiatrists go say this person don't colo. This person need this medicine. This
Yes,
person need that
yes.
medicine. But behavior analysts go say like chill. Give us this person.
Give us time.
We go teach, we reduce this behavior and replace behavior. Now that one we they do. We know many for Nigeria, but now that be the key thing where we do.
Oh, okay, so Kakomeri, if you're there on the line, I don't know whether you're here within our special, certified special needs experts they talk. You get any question concerning
Yes.
your Peking
Where you want
attitude,
ask.
where you say you go like ask her now. I know say you go don't do your own research demo, but now where you don't meet an expert. You get any question like that, you do your body where you say you go like ask her.
Yes. As my Peking now does start school, he's 2 years old,
Oh, okay.
but I didn't put him in special needs school. He's in the mainstream.
Okay.
I want him to be challenged. I want to be the challenger. He's already showing me I can do this.
Okay.
So why putting him back? So we try to put him in mainstream or special needs school.
Okay.
Ah,
Madam, you
know what you
don't
I
hear
hear
that
what you
So
question.
the reason why make she no one carry and go special needs school,
Okay.
and because she won't make the
won't make
Peking the
him-
challenge
make
because
him
he already they
sabi.
show interest.
Yes.
How you take
Make
it
I
down?
tell you something, my dear sister. Be say, you know, say you go first prepare this Peking to be school ready. We get what they call school readiness. So plenty things, not be just about say in don't show you say in go fit do this, in go fit do that. Because say for your mind you want to make him socialize with other children, but the Peking don't ready to socialize. So when first and foremost you don't do therapy, this Peking don't they school ready, this Peking they fit sit down. You know say it not that easy for Peking like our for like neurodiverse children to sit down for one place. This Peking fit sit down. This Peking fit do cycle time because for that age and cycle time that they do nursery rhymes, they do this. This Peking fit sit down with those other children. If not, my dear sister, the Peking just they go school and they make the struggle. Make the Peking they school ready. By the time you go surprise and say by the time this our dear boy be 4 years. Now he go there extra ready. He go there extra ready to socialize. He go there extra ready to understand the emotions. And then you go achieve better. Not be just to put on for mainstream school. I understand say you want put on for mainstream school. But waiting your Peking really need for now. Now you go they look.
So Mary, you don't hear that
Mary,
one. So
don't
you
hear
don't
that
figure them out. Say, this Peking really don't ready for all this side.
Yeah.
I just actually they talk, they nod head. So they look and say, this or this one, and they talk. It makes sense. So well. So not part of the thing the way we say.
Yeah.
So
it's good. It's good actually. Madam, it's good say you don't decide to come break this thing down because no go lie. A lot of parents them they face this situation, but some of them they hide them because they don't want to make society they look them one kind. They go can't say, if I carry my Peking come out now, they go say now waiting I don't do for my past. Now they follow me for my present. Plenty story like that. So as an expert where you be, at the Madam Mary where they online, I would like make you just give them. You know sometimes some people know they know. They go feel say maybe na small thing it go pass. Some people know they know as it be. Which things where you go talk to make parents they look out for at least first few signs where you go feel no say wait to be like say my pikin go need special need if I look am like this, which mean those first signs where person fit check, fit see.
Makes
So no
sense.
say okay, as parents why I be, I go they look like that. Waiting go.
Thank you for that question. Because for this our society, most parents go wait make now when pikin no come they get speech, no come they talk.
Yes.
And that time, plenty signs don't even show.
Don't
You
do,
no
yeah,
even know.
you know see.
First thing where you go look at for as a parent, father, mother, you know when you play with baby wey be 6 months old, you they play with them, they use those their rattle, they
rattle,
do,
they shake,
they go,
yeah.
they laugh, they go smile with
Yes.
you. But you see baby where you just they do like that, they look you straight face, you don't even look you for eye, go turn face, you don't know what you they do. Now waiting with they call shared emotions. Your pikin they share emotions with you, or in just know they do, in just they do you. Then sometimes pikin go they go cry. You know they know what thing they make this pikin cry. You don't check everything. Carry this pikin go hospital. You don't know. You don't know whether na sensory issue. Say the pikin they uncomfortable with maybe the sound when you hear
Yes.
or light or even cloth fabric
Where
when you
they
put
wear.
for body. Say na you don't know. So those kind things, especially that shared emotions. Your pikin and you, because that's not the way that they communicate. Your
Yes.
pikin and you, they share emotions. Your pikin and you, they do eye contact, they smile. Those are the first key things for 6 months or 7 months, 8 months, make you they look out for.
Thank you so much. I wish say Mary did because I feel like ask her say at what point where you say she get to know. Like you now, like at what point where you notice and begin take intervention? Very early.
Very early. You make anything where when pikin no sit down when it's supposed to sit down because for
Yes.
developmental milestones they.
Yes.
But because it's developmental milestones, it give you a broad time. It give you long time because children different.
Yes.
Some children go be early, some children
people,
go
they
be
go
late.
late small,
But
yes. Okay.
the time even still long. So when you see say time long, it don't pass. Your pikin never they do something.
You go
Make
check
you
You
am.
go
begin check
try.
eye.
You go begin. You
Thank
go
you.
try.
Time no day again too much because when you make her ask this question, some people they say some self design from inside belly. Some people fit know
Yes,
and all of that.
Someday, yes, someday na inside. Someday what would they call intellectual disability? Where you say, this one from inside the letter, doctor go don't tell
All
you.
right, thank you. Thank you so much. We get our Oga Patapata way be saying educational need expert. She is certified though,
Yes,
and we need a joke with the word certified. In fact, as a matter of fact,
Let
let me
them
add
know.
international to it. Internationally certified special needs expert. Education is nice she be. So she don't follow us talk. Waiting be say we suppose how to use take care of Pikin. Where be say get special need and waiting the Pikin. Waiting you suppose expect as a mother when you be say you go use notice say my Pikin be like say you get special needs and how to help these children them. Mary, thank you so much as you join us for Inside Zoom. And Madam Zusi, thank you as you come join us. You never drink your coffee. I won't see you make you drink.
Thank you.